Hi everyone, Lisa Oram here from Coldwell Banker Momentum Realty, and I'm here with a short video and discussion on how to do budget-friendly renovations and add value to your home. So as most of us know, the kitchen is one of the most important rooms to renovate, update, because that's where we all gather, it's where we all eat, that's where we all entertain, and I love entertaining. When we bought the house, we knew that certain rooms needed updating, but we thought, where are we gonna start? And we thought, you know what, the kitchen. It was dark, it was, this was all dark cherry, purpley cupboards, outdated, just, oh, it had to go, right? We decided to do it economically, as we have done in the past with cabinet refacing. So the reason we do cabinet refacing is because it is a third of the cost, and you get to keep the kitchen cabinets in place. You don't have to go through all that trouble of ripping them off the walls. So that's why we went with the cabinet refacing. So what it entails is choosing the colors or a color and the style of door you want. It's a vast array actually of styles, and you also get included your choice of handles, your soft close hinges, any kind of trim, crown molding, and also what I must point out is whatever you see, whatever's facing is laminated, and it's high quality, it's got a long warranty. I would not ever hesitate to do it again. I'm going to show you before and after pictures. It's quite remarkable, the transformation. And what we did is we saved money by not doing custom cabinetry, and we were able to put in luxury vinyl plank flooring throughout the home, and we did backsplash and granite countertops. So there's also a short video showing everything that we did. So I hope you enjoy what you see and it helps. If you have any questions, if you're getting ready to renovate and sell, please don't hesitate to contact me. Please follow me on Instagram and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and stay tuned for some upcoming videos on budget-friendly renos to a home office and a bathroom. Stay safe, everyone. Bye-bye.